In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Can't Find My Way Home by Blind Faith. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
That is the sound of I Can't Find My Way Home, Stevie Winwood, from the album Blind Faith, with Eric Clapton, Ginger Baker, and Rick Gretsch. Great song. I actually saw him do it live. And by the way, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Hit me up with any questions you got or any comments. I'd love to hear from you. So this song is a great, it's actually originally done, I think, with a drop D. I'm going to do it just standard tuning for the purposes of where we are right now. But it's in the key of D, and it starts out with the C walk down, and I'm going to play through it for you, and then we'll go back and take it apart. So this can be played many different ways, but the way I like to do it for acoustic is walking down a C with a D up here. So it's like a C chord, right? But you move on your B string up to the 3 with your pinky, so. And then you'll do a chromatic walk down. It's going to go like this. So it looks like this. So C, the D up here, and then just hit that B note, walk down, open D and G string, and then B flat, to the D, and then here you just do a regular F chord, if that's comfortable for you, or do a whole F, and a G, back home to D. So the way it sounds in context is, down. Down C, B, B flat, D, and somebody holds the key. The chorus goes to G, and in the end, A just ain't got up to D, to E minor. Let's take that apart, shall we? So the chorus goes to G, to A, to D, and then E minor, and it walks up to it, goes up to a G and does a walk down. G with a, it's like a D with an F sharp. So that's a G walk down, F sharp, E minor, D.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below, and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So here's the chorus one more time, and I'll slow it down for you. It goes G to A to D. Then E minor, and wasted in, and here it does a little G walk down. D with an F sharp, E minor 7th to D. One more time. G, E minor, and then G walk down. Okay, so a couple of things on this song that I like to do. Everybody does this song a million different ways. I heard Clapton and Winwood do it recently, where they start out with they just jam on that F, G, and they do some kind of get a little lead guitar in it. And they go in. Now in the original version, if you listen to the original version, and you'll hear these guys playing it different every time, Clapton does like a cool little melody. That's from the original, from their vinyl. Great album, by the way, that Blind Faith album. I do a couple little moves on the chorus. I go, I hit the A. I do a little walk up here. It's like a B and a D. It's on the B string and the A string, but I hit a. So I go. This little hammer on, one E minor, and I'm wasted in so that little walk up I think is kind of cool as a and then the lick. Upstroke on the E minor. Now when I do this live, I do it with a friend of mine, Tracy Blackman, and we kind of jam out at the end. Same way that Clapton and Winwood do when they play it live. Just get that F and that G to the D. It's a fun thing to. You got two guitars, one guy can. That's all the different places you can go with that song. It's such a great tune. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.